Hi, hello to everyone. My name is Sunita, lecturer in English from Government Degree College, Women Jagityal. Okay, I am from Jagityal College. My name is Sunita. Today, I would like to explain you the topic. The topic name is uh, Old Man at the Bridge, the textbook topic. So before starting the lesson, uh, we will discuss about the writer of the lesson. Okay, the lesson name is The Old Man at the Bridge. Okay, repeating the lesson name again, The Old Man at the Bridge, written by Ernest Miller Hemingway. I am note down the author name on the board. You see here. The author name is about the author. About the author. So the author name is Ernest Miller Hemingway. Ernest Miller Hemingway. So he is the name of the author Ernest Miller Hemingway. Then see, he is the one of the most famous American writer. Belongs to American. He is the American writer. So he was born in the year of 1899 and he passed away in the year of 1961. This is the date of birth and the death of the Ernest Miller Hemingway, born in the year 1899 and he was passed away in the year of 1961. He is one of the famous American writer. And some more details about the Hemingway, and he belongs to 20th century. 20th. Ernest Miller Hemingway belongs to the 20th century and is one of the novelists and short storytellers. Eminent novelist. Eminent novelist and short storyteller. Short story writer. He is not only the famous American writer and he belongs to 20th century and he is one of the novelist, famous novelist and short story writer and journalist also. Okay. And journalist. And prior his success, fearless writer Hemingway was a correspondent in Europe for many years. And Hemingway has been a source of inspiration for many generations. The famous sayings from his well-known novel, is The Old Man and the Sea. The Old Man and the Sea. So this is the famous novel of the Ernest Miller Hemingway, The Old Man and the Sea. This is the one of the greatest novels written by Ernest Miller Hemingway. In this lesson, he is the man. He is being an old, but he never accepted that defeat. So this is the theme of the story. That is the old man and the sea. So now the present, whatever the lesson we are going to discuss after the completion of the introduction of the author, that is also related to this lesson. So see, once again I am repeating the brief discussion about the Ernest Miller Hemingway. So Ernest Miller Hemingway was a famous American writer and of the 20th century, and he was the eminent novelist, short storyteller and journalist. Prior to his success of a freelance writer, Hemingway was the correspondent in Europe for many years. He was corresponding in the many years in the Europe. And Hemingway has been a source of inspiration for many generations. He is one of the greatest writers. He is the inspiration to every writer in the generation. Okay, and the famous saying from his well-known novel, one of the greatest novel written by Hemingway, that is The Old Man and the Sea. This is one of the greatest and famous novel. And this novel got a man can be destroyed but not defeated. Is an example of undaunted spirit of willpower. So being an old man, he has a great willpower. So in that, having that willpower, he never accepted the defeat. He doesn't have any strength to come forward. Doesn't have any courage to do such kind of job works because his health is not supported, his age is not supported. He is very weak and very thin and very tired. In this situation also, he is not accepted his defeat. He is still trying to whatever the kind of situation you want to overcome, that continuation is struggling to achieve that work. So this is the spiritness, this is the willpower of the old man to get the success, not accepted any defeat. Is the brief introduction. I am repeating again. Ernest Miller Hemingway is famous American writer, and he belongs to the 20th century, and the eminent famous novelist and one of the short story writer and also journalist, and he corresponding the many years in the Europe. Okay, Europe is corresponding many years in the Europe. And next, the well-known novel The Old Man and the Sea. That is one of the famous novel of the Ernest Miller Hemingway. So this is the definition of the author. Now we will discuss the story written by Ernest Miller Hemingway. The story name is Old Man at the Bridge. So what is the story name? Old Man at the Bridge. So in this lesson, so the author is explaining about the situation of the old man. What is the situation of that place and that kind of the place, and what is the willpower of the old man in the entire story, entire the lesson. The author is himself is the narrator. Okay, so I am telling that story. A note on this story. The story name is the story Old Man at the Bridge. Old Man at the Bridge. Old Man at the Bridge. This is the present lesson. This is the same one. Same story. It is same story. So Old Man at the Bridge. Okay, title of the lesson is Old Man at the Bridge. The entire story is running through the situation of the old man. Okay, so before starting that lesson, I would like to read the pre-reading. So what is the kind of the situation in the being in old age? Okay, so pre-reading. Many countries indulge in wars for petty reasons that result in bloodshed, destructions, and loss of precious human lives. Knowing the deserts, consequences, and the futility of war, guided the rules in the past wage wars, as human nature undergone a change for the better over the ages. Having learnt lesson from their past mistakes, have they gone wiser? The government in modern time also do not hesitate in restoring the wars. Does it mean that a violent streak is ingrained in human psyche? An old man in the present story is a victim of such a war. So he is ready to confront death desperately at the time of destructions. Read on to find out his scotism and his satisfaction at the fact that he had saved the lives of his pet animals before he moved from the village. It is the only saying, grace at the end. So the entire story, in the past situation, we have to learn something in the past, seeing that past, knowing that past, involving in the mistakes in the past. We have to learn, we have to make wiser than present. So, but what the people are doing in the society, in the government also, they are seeing that in the learning the lessons from the past, they are not moving forward the wiser. So they are not moving like wiser than the past. So this is the situation of the the old man. What the situation of the old man? He is unable to move forward, but he is much focus care on having his pet animals. Okay, he has such kind of the pet animals, so he's more attention is paying on that pet animals. So he doesn't care about his security and his save and rescue, but he is take care of his own pet animals. No? How many pet animals are the old man have, and what is the situation? What happened in that place? That will be discussed in the lesson. This is the pre-reading. In the pre-reading, the author would like to want to say one thing, that is the doing some mistakes in the past. You have to learn some lesson, and don't do such kind of mistake again and again in the future. That is the main thing in the story. Okay. So what we are doing, we know what is happening in the olden days, in the war situations. So because of the silly reasons, because of the authority, the king's reasons, so many soldiers sacrifice their lives. So this is one of the kind of the situation that doesn't have any mistake to involve that war, but because of the kings and the rulers, they sacrifice their rules because of the saving of the people in that kingdom. So this is the olden day situation. Now the government, the government is doing same, the kind of the situation is repeating in the present also. So okay, so now I am going to read the lesson, listen and see the lesson once. Text, you have to just see the text. What is the text written by the Ernest Miller Hemingway? So, an old man with steel rimmed spectacles and very dusty clothes sat by the side of the road. There was a pontoon bridge across the river, and cars, trucks, and man, women, and children were crossing it. Just I'm reading and explaining. See here. So this is the situation of the old man. The narrator himself is telling the speaker. The narrator is the speaker in this lesson. He is telling the situation of the old man. So before starting the lesson, what is the situation in the place? No? That is the Spanish War. The Spanish War is happening in the place. So in that Spanish War, the more of the people is ran away to secure their lives, but being in old age is unable to go forward. The old man. Okay. So an old man with steel rimmed spectacles. We have the very steel specs. You have the very thick and steel spectacles and very dusty clothes. The old man cloth is the very dusty and sat by the side of the road, and he is sit on the side of the road and helplessly. And there was a pontoon bridge across the river, and cars, trucks, and men and children were crossing it. There was a bridge to cross the place. So many trucks are moving, so many cars are moving, so many people are moving and crossing the river. But he is being an old age. The old man is unable to move forward. Okay, because he doesn't have such kind of the strength to move forward. Already he has walked a long time. So that way he is very tired. He is very sick. He is having aged and is not able to move forward. Next, what happened? The mule down cars surged up the steep bank from the beach, with soldier helping push against the spokes of the wheels. The truck round up and away, heading out of it. All the peasants pulled it along the ankle deep dust, but the old man sat there without moving. He was too tired to go any further. So what happened? So in the dusty and muddy place, the courser, what is that? The courser, the soldiers is trying to pull the cars, the wheels. The truck round up and away, hitting out of it. All the peasants pulled it along the ankle with dust, and the peasants are trying to move forward. And there is a deep of the mud is very deep. Ankle deep is there, so they are not to move freely and clearly. Then they are facing such kind of difficulties when they are moving that place. So this is the situation of the place. And in the situation, all members are very hurry-burriedly to move the place, to vacate the place, to secure their lives. Okay. So what happened next? The soldiers are moving. Soldiers are helping to the village people to vacate the place, and they are helping the people to loading in the trucks and vehicles to send them other places, the peoples. So the old man seeing all the situation doesn't have any worry, doesn't have any care about himself. Only have such kind of the care. What will happen? We will see. But all are moving in that place. Seeing the situation, the old man simply sat down beside the road and moving and observing just how they are moving, how they are hurriedly going the another place. Just watching the old man, all situations. And next, what happened? It was my business to cross the bridge, explore the bridge, head beyond and find out what point the enemy have advanced. I did this and returned over the beach. There were not so many cars now, and few people, uh, very few people on foot. But the old man was still there. What happened next? So it was my business to cross the bridge. So now the time come to the old man. All are leaving. How many people are in the village? They are all vacant in the native place, the same village. Next, the old man times come to move further. What happened? Beyond, find out the enemy have advanced. The enemies are very advancing. The enemies are very near to attack that place. But being the aged man not moving further. And there was no so many cars and very few people on foot. So most of the people are gone away. But only few people are there and they are going on foot. But the old man is unable because he doesn't have such kind of strength to move forward on foot. Okay. Next, what happened? Where do you come from? I asked. So this situation is observed by one man. So seeing that moving people, seeing that moving cars, all our situation observed by one man. That is our author Ernest Miller Hemingway. And after watching that, all are already gone away from that place. The old man is only left, and seeing that the author come forward near to the old man, and the author is asking, where do you come from? I asked him. Author is asking the old man, where do you come from? Next, from San Corollas, he said and smiled. The old man belongs to which place? I'm writing the place of the old man place. That San Carlos, the place of the old man. Old man. And what is the place they are crossing? Panton Bridge. They are crossing the Panton Bridge, and old man belongs to the San Carlos place, and that was his native town of old man. Okay, San Carlos was the native town. See the board. San Carlos is the native place of the old man, and Panton Bridge, they are crossing the Panton Bridge. Okay, so the author is asking, where do you from? And the old man is with smiling said that San Carlos, I'm from the San Carlos. That was his native town, and so it gave him pleasure to mention it, and he smiled. I was taking care of animals, he explained. So, and with giving the smile, pleasant smile, the old man is saying to the author, that is, I was taking care of animals. He is not bothering about his rescue, his safety, that old man's safety. So he is taking care of his animals. What is his animals? That kind of the animals which belongs to the old man. So ho, the author is saying ho. So doesn't understand the clear situation of the old man to the author. Author doesn't understand what the old man want to say. And next, I said not quite understand. The old man is saying, the author saying to the old man, I'm not understanding clearly what he want to say. He is asking like that. Then yes, he said, the old man is saying that I stayed, you see, taking care of animals. I was the last one to leave the town of San Carlos. And the old man is the last man, the last man only the old man, and is saying to that author, so I have some kind of the animals. I am taking care of that animals, so that's why I staying in the place. Okay. Next, he did not. So yes, he said, I stayed, you see, taking care of animals. I was the last one to leave the town of San Carlos. The old man replied to the author. The next, I did not look like a shepherd, nor a herdsman, and I looked at him back, dusty clothes, and this great dusty face and steel rimmed spectacles and said, "What animals were they?" So, if we see that old man, the looking of the old man is not like herdsman and shepherds, like being the holding the animals man. So he is just looking like a very ordinary and very tired, very aged man. How? So that's why the author got such kind of doubts and is asking what kind of animal you are having. The author is asking to the old man. Then the old man is replying, various animals, he said, and shook his head. I had to leave them. So the old man had such kind of the different kinds of animals the old man have. So he is explaining about the animals. I was watching the bridge and the African looking country of the Ebro Delta, wondering how long it. And this is the country, African Ebro Delta. Ebro Delta, the place. And wondering how long now it would be before we would see the enemy. So how long the enemies are advancing. And listening all the while for the first noise, there would signal that very mysterious events called contact and old man still sat there. And there is a very hurry, the enemies are very advancing to near that old man. But the old man doesn't have any kind of the fear inside. But only one kind of the tension is having that old man, that is that take care of the animals. Only animals carrying he have in his mind. And next, what animals were they? I asked. Again, the author is Miller Hemingway asking again to the old man, what kind of animals they? And he is replying, there were. Note on the animals here. There were three altogether. Three kind of animals. Three kind of animals. So one is two goats, and second is a cat, and third is the 4 pair of pigeons. See the kind of animals. So the old man take caring of the three kinds of animals: 2 goats, a cat, 4 pair of pigeons. These are the animals belongs to the old man, and is worrying about these animals, not for himself. Okay. Next, and you had to leave them. I asked. Yes, because of the artillery. The captain told me to go because of the artillery. And you have no family. I asked. Watching the far end of the bridge for a few last cars were hurrying down the slope of the bank, and the very advancing the people, the enemies, and is asking. So, do you have any family members? The author is asking to the old man, do you have any family members? But no, he said, only the animals I stayed. The old man doesn't have any family members, just only the pairs of the three kinds of the animals he having. And next, the cat, of course, it will be alright. A cat can look for himself, but I cannot think that will become the others. So the cat can escape from anywhere. Okay? So the old man doesn't have any. The old man doesn't have any tension about the cat. It can save himself itself. Okay. So he is bothering about the 2 goats and the 4 pigeons. Okay. 4 pairs of pigeons. Okay. No, I said only the animals I stayed. The cat, of course. Okay, it is already happened. I am without politics. He said I am 76 years old. The old man age is 76. What is the age of the old man? Old man is 76 years. Old man is 76 years. So he is the 76 years old. I have 12 kilometers. Yeah, I have come 12 kilometers now and think now I can go no further. There is not a good place to stop. I said, if you can make it, there are trucks up the road where it flows and flows up. So he is already walked 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers. The old man walked 12 kilometers already. So he is not having such kind of strength to go further. So he stay there only. And next, I will wait if I said, and then I will go. Where do you, the trucks go? Towards Barcelona, I told him. And the old man inquiring what the going trucks are, where the going trucks are going. And the author replying, there is a Barcelona. Where the trucks are going? Barcelona. So the trucks are going to Barcelona. So I know no one in that direction I said, but thank you very much, thank you very much. Okay. After giving that information, he is saying thank you to that man. And next he looked at me very blankly and kindly, then said, I will share his body with someone. The cat will be alright, I am sure. There is no need to be unquiet about the cat, but the others. Now what do you think about the others? So seeing that old man, the author thought he needs such kind of help, needs some kind of help. So he is asking, so you don't have any bother about the cat, but what about the other remaining animals? So then, so do you leave the dog case unlocked? I asked. So already the dog pigeons are in the case. So the author giving the advice to the old man, can open that case. The birds can fly, the pigeons can fly freely. Then certainly, yes, they will fly, but the others, is better not to think about the others, he said. So the goats, so take care, two goats, he is bothering about the goats. If you are rested, I would go, I urge you, get up and try to walk now. The author saying, get up, just take some strength to come forward. But thank you said not go to his feet, said move from side to side, and then sat down backward in the dust. So the old man trying to go forward, but he is unable, and is trying to get up, but he is fall down. And in the dust, he is fall down in the dust. I was taking care of animals, he said dully, but no longer to me. I was only taking care of animals. So the old man is saying to them, so I will take care of myself. I doesn't care about myself. I take care of the goats. The cat will rescue itself, and the pigeons go fly away. And about the goats, and only care of animals. The old man doesn't have any such kind of tension to himself. So finally saying that there was nothing to do about him. It was it is Sunday, and the fascists were advancing towards the Ebro. It was the grey overcast day with the low ceiling to show their plans were not up. That and the fact that cars know how to look after themselves was all the good luck that old man would ever have. So finally what is thinking about? So the old man, unborn spirit. So in this lesson we are observe one thing, that is, so he doesn't care himself. The old man doesn't care himself. Just he is caring about the which the animals he have. So finally he is saving the animals, and he doesn't care. So what will happen the next? We have not explained the author, but we can understand one thing, that is, so being the old days, if the person has good will, good power, good such kind of powerness in mind and the heart, we can achieve any situation. We can handle any situation. We can achieve success. So he doesn't care himself, but he is caring of the animals. So finally what happened, he is unable to go forward, and he stayed there only. He sat down there in the dust place, and the animals can take care themselves. So this is the story of the old man at the bridge, written by Ernest Miller Hemingway. Thank you to everyone.